Hey guys, I'm Elliott. This is Everything Elliott, and this is about 4.5 face cords of wood. Now, I got this wood for free, and I got it from George, my buddy. You might have seen him in a video. He's the one with the Easton-made 1222, I believe it is. And George needed to get rid of this firewood because he didn't have enough room in his yard for it. He has to sell his house because they're moving. He needed to get some firewood out of his wood yard. Simple solution was give it to me. I help him a lot, so he said, hey, come get some firewood. Here we have it. So today's plan of attack in my wood yard over there, we're gonna make some sort of firewood privacy fence. I'm not sure how it's going to go. I'm going to attempt to double stack IBC totes with firewood in them and hopefully make it look a little nicer for my wife because she complains. So we're gonna hop on the tractor. My son's gonna hop on with me. What do you think, bud? You wanna get on the tractor? He's gonna hop on the tractor with me. We're gonna see if we can't make a privacy fence. So the idea is kind of where I've got these two totes here. So we're gonna go too high. We're gonna come out, hit the driveway, and then go down. That should encompass most of my wood yard and make it look like stacked firewood. So we've got those 5 back there that are stacked nicely. We're gonna make those bottoms. And then I've got a bunch of totes back there from the conveyor that are not stacked as nicely. So we'll make those tops because you need a nice level surface on the bottom. I don't know how far we'll get, but it'll be a start. So step 1 is gonna be to remove these totes of rounds I've got here. We're gonna put these at the end. Set this right here for right now. All right, we can grab our first bin of firewood now. All right, so here is bin number 1 going into place. Now we gotta grab a messy bin out of the back, put it on top of that. Successfully have bin number 2. Now we got to get this lined up just perfectly. All right, I think that'll stay up there. Grab the next clean bin. Messy stack number 2. I'm hoping they all just join forces and make an impenetrable wall of firewood. don't know if you guys can see it right there. See that big dip in the bin? Yeah, this is actually the bin that saved my life. If you guys haven't been around for a long time, you might not know this, but I had another garage kind of where we're grabbing these old bins from, or I should say these bins over here that we got from George. I had another garage there, and while me and my buddy were working in it one day, the garage actually collapsed on us. And I had some firewood stacked in there. That was one of the bins that you see right there. And that big bend you see in the IBC tote, or that you saw in the IBC tote, that's actually from one of the beams from the roof hitting the IBC tote. And that IBC tote stopped the roof from falling all the way down and basically crushing me. So yeah, this bin saved my life. So this is one bin that I'll never be able to give away. I'll always keep this bin. A little sentimental feeling, if you will. All right, that one went in there nicely. Whoop, spoke too soon. My forks popped it out. Oh man. There we go. Whoa, too far. Oh, I am an artiste, an artist. Look at that, perfect. Can we just discuss for 1 second how perfectly I line that up to be at the edge of the driveway? I mean, come on. So now the plan is to go too high here and then come down this way. I only have 2 bins left back there, but that's all right. Well, 1, 2.5. So I'll put 1 bin there on top of there, and then another one. And don't forget, I've got those 2 bins full of rounds. What I should have did the first time, just move this one out of the way and I could have just drove straight with that one. Instead, I just had to feel that I had to grab this one first. Well, I'm not too happy about what happened in the back there. I got a little ahead of myself and dumped an entire tote, which is not a problem for today, Elliott. That is definitely a problem for future Elliott. So I think what we'll do next is we're gonna grab the 2 totes of rounds and we'll put those in, and it'll actually work that I put them on top of each other so I can just grab them out. I think I can. No? There we go. Just needed a little more rip'ems. Well, there you have it, version 1.0 of the Firewood privacy fence. Obviously you can see I still have the American CLS animal here. The conveyor is gone, and the demo trial period, the demo period, whatever you want to call it, is up. That machine is going back. It was a great machine, no doubt about it. Love the heck out of it, super powerful, did everything I ever asked of it. Larry and the guys over at American CLS couldn't be nicer, but it is time for it to leave the woodyard. But enough of that, here it is. Not bad, huh? Now you can't really see, no prying eyes to be able to see what I got going on in the woodyard. Not bad. What I would like to do is probably get maybe 2 more right there and put those up. I still want to leave access to get my tractor back here, and then that way I would only have to take like 2 rows out when the log truck comes. But yeah, I'm super happy with the privacy fence. Hopefully my wife is happy as well. She was the one that complained about it. She hated seeing all the logs from the street. I don't know if this is any better, but hey, maybe I could line the entire yard. It would probably be cheaper for me to line the yard with these than it would be for me to buy an actual fence. I don't know how she'd feel about that. Yeah, I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think. Was it worth it? I don't know. You tell me. Leave a comment, subscribe, like. Catch you guys on the next one. Is this still recording? Oh, yeah. That's a nice clamp. First time using this camera, so hopefully it worked well. I don't know. Guess I'll find out when I'm editing.